Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Search Labs. So here there is a new feature in Google. This is the AI experiments. So all you have to do now, you can open Google Chrome, and if you notice there is a laboratorium glass, or you can see this is the Search Labs. So you can click this icon. And here we go, this is the Search Labs. Know anything and do anything instantly. So you can click this in order to turn on Search Labs. So there are two experiments. For now, AI experiments for the first, and second, Feel the Bird. So you can unleash your inner musician with the Feel the Bird. So this two is AI experiment. So in the first one, AI experiments, you can ask anything, get inspired, and find what you're looking for in faster and easier. You can click to learn more. And the second one is Feel the Bird. So here you can click to play. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the links button below. See you in the next video.